Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to get a API token in Jira. So first, click on your profile picture and navigate to account settings. Now in account settings, go over to security and click on create and manage API tokens. Now to your email address there will be a code sent. So open up your email address and see where your code is. As you can see, it is right here. Copy the verification code and paste it right here. It should take you to API tokens and click on create API token. Now give it a name, so new token, and here is the date that it expires. Click on create. And now you have successfully created the token and you can copy it right here and then press done. Now here you can revoke your tokens and see which ones do you have created. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.